Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738 481382, and today we have a 2013 Mazda BT-50 single cab chassis ute. Stock reference number 4084. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 and is the current shape. It has a P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4AT 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front and rear. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard has one small dent. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch steel rims. Left front has a ball tyre. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear, 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right rear, 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. Right door has 3 small dents. Right power door mirror in black. Right guard has 1 small dent and a right front 16-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a bench seat type manual console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tiny 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.